Steve Hill with Midnight Trader here. Wednesday, July the 22nd, after market, we have eBay reporting its quarterly earnings. And in this session, we're going to have a look at what's happened historically with eBay after its quarterly earnings in the after hours, and also into the next trading day to see if we can see a consistency in the way the stock reacts. In our first screenshot here, we have earnings notebook. It tells what's happened to eBay in the past. In the last 21 quarters, we've seen something of a mixed reaction. It's split with share performance of the last 5 years, seeing less aggressive next day percentage closing levels following 10 of 21 after hours earnings events, and widening in the up quarters. What that means is that you'll see a widening events happening. It's gone on the after hours and then it's expanded at the next trading day. It's gone down in the after hours and then it's continued down. But on the other, sort of 50% of the quarters, it's actually been narrowing. So if it's gone up in the after hours, it's then pulled some back or reversed at the next trading day. The same with being down in the after hours, then pulled back and gone up in the next trading day. So it's evenly split. However, in the near term, the stock has widened in 3 of the 4 quarters that have happened. What we see here is that the stock has gone up in after hours or down. Doesn't know which direction. The important thing is into the next trade day, it's widened that move. I'll show you what I mean on this chart here. In red, I've put figures for the after hours trading right after the earnings announcement. And in blue, you have the total gain loss with the after hours included in and through to close on the next trading day. And the arrows there mark 4 previous quarters. If you look at the quarter back in April, you'll see that eBay was up 5.3% in after hours trading, and then add another 7% in the next trading day for a total of 12.3%. So that's a widening move. The first quarter of 2009, eBay was down 4.3% in after hours following earnings. It then had a total of 12.1% to the downside for the next trading day. So it's widened again, adding almost about 8% down in the trading day. The quarter prior to that in October, this was somewhat of a narrowing move. We were down 4.5% in the after hours, and then it pulled a little bit back to end 4.2% down for the total trading day. But the quarter prior to that, back in July of 2008, another 6.7% downside after the earnings announcement, and then it widened that again for a total of 13.8% down. So 3 out of 4 of the last quarters, it has widened its move. So we'll see what happens with eBay tonight. Join us again for another one of these little sessions later on this week.